Have you ever felt like there are limits, blocks, and obstacles preventing you from achieving your dreams? Do you struggle to manifest the life you desire? Well, buckle up, because today we're going to reveal a life-changing secret that will empower you to manifest anything you want. Get ready to awaken to your limitless potential, because in this video, we're going to show you how to manifest your dreams into reality. Welcome, my fellow dreamers, to this captivating exploration of the awe-inspiring concept of manifestation. Prepare to embark on a journey that will ignite a profound sense of empowerment and belief in your ability to create the life you desire. But before we delve into the depths of manifestation, we kindly ask you to not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay connected to a community of manifestation pioneers who are changing their lives for the better. Now, let's introduce you to the marvelous world of manifestation. Picture this common scenario. You have dreams and aspirations, but you feel stuck, as if an invisible barrier is preventing you from reaching your goals. It's time to break free from these self-imposed limitations and unlock the power of manifestation. Manifestation is about understanding that there are no limits, blocks, or obstacles that can hinder your journey towards success. It all starts with harnessing the power of your mind and shifting your belief system. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. By cultivating a positive mindset and embracing the notion that anything is possible, you can begin to attract and create the outcomes you desire. My friends, meditation and consciousness play crucial roles in the process of successful manifestation. Let's break down these concepts. Meditation. Meditation is a practice that involves training the mind to focus and redirect thoughts. Regular meditation helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and increase self-awareness. It allows us to tap into our inner wisdom and connect to a higher state of consciousness. Through meditation, we can cultivate a state of clarity and stillness that is important for effective manifestation. Consciousness. Consciousness refers to our awareness of our own existence, thoughts, and experiences. It includes both our conscious and subconscious mind. Consciousness plays a significant role in manifestation as it influences our perception, beliefs, and intentions. It is believed that our conscious and subconscious thoughts, beliefs, and emotions shape our reality and attract corresponding experiences. Successful manifestation requires aligning our conscious and subconscious mind with our desires. Here's how meditation and consciousness contribute to this process. Clarity and focus. Regular meditation enhances mental clarity and concentration. When we have a clear and focused mind, we can better define our desires and intentions. By sharpening our focus, we can direct our energy more effectively toward manifesting what we desire. Mindfulness. Meditation helps cultivate mindfulness, which is the practice of being present and aware in the current moment. Through mindfulness, we become more conscious of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. This awareness allows us to identify and release any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may hinder our manifestation process. Positive visualization. During meditation, we can engage in positive visualization exercises. By vividly imagining and experiencing our desired outcome, we create a strong mental image and emotional connection to our manifestation goals. This helps program our subconscious mind to align with our desires and attract corresponding experiences. Emotional regulation. Meditation promotes emotional regulation and balance. It helps us manage stress, anxiety, and negative emotions that may interfere with effective manifestation. By cultivating a positive emotional state through meditation, we can attract positive, vibrational frequencies that align with our desires. Through meditation, we create the inner conditions necessary to manifest our desires by aligning our consciousness with the outcomes we seek. So friends, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and visualize yourself already experiencing your desired outcomes. Imagine the joy, the fulfillment, and the abundance that comes with manifesting your dreams. Feel it in your core and let that energy radiate from within you. But you know, it's not just about visualization. Affirmations, those powerful statements that align with your desires, play a crucial role in manifestation. Repeat them daily, engraving them into the depths of your subconscious mind. Gratitude is another key ingredient in the manifestation potion. Express gratitude for the process itself, for the steps you're taking, and for the abundance that is already present in your life. A grateful heart opens doors to endless possibilities. Yet, there is another vital element to consider: letting go. Detach from the outcome and surrender the need for control. Trust the divine timing of the universe to bring your desires to fruition. Release resistance, impatience, and desperation, for they only serve as roadblocks on your path. And now, my fellow manifestors, I encourage you to embrace your divine potential. Unleash your creativity and dream big. Remember that the power to manifest anything lies within you, waiting to be awakened. Take intentional actions aligned with your desires. Step out of your comfort zone and walk boldly towards your dreams. Believe in yourself and the magnificent power of manifestation. So, my friends, if you resonated with the discussions in this video, we humbly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Become part of a community that supports and inspires one another on this transformative journey. We want to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences and questions in the comment section below. Remember, together, we are unstoppable. Before we part ways, we want to leave you with this heartfelt message. May the universe bless you abundantly on your manifestation journey. May your dreams become a vivid reality, and may you continue to unlock your limitless potential. Remember, your thoughts have power, and with the right mindset, belief, and techniques, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. As we bring this video to a close, we encourage you to keep manifesting. Keep taking intentional action and fostering a positive belief in your ability to manifest unlimited abundance. Until we meet again in our next video, may your manifestations be blessed, and may your journey be filled with joy, love, and unshakable belief. Keep manifesting and let your dreams unfold before your eyes. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay empowered.